Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Sandy. You can call me Sandy, please do. That's Sandy with an I and not a Y. I'm super excited to bring you this video today. It's two perks that you may or may not know that you have with the Medicare Advantage Plan. I honestly didn't know that I had them included in my plan until I was talking to an agent, an insurance agent, and they explained everything my plan included. And so I just wanted to share with you how you can find out if you are in the Medicare plan and which plan you're in. The Medicare has two different plans. I am not an insurance agent, by the way. I'm just sharing it with you what they shared with me, and hopefully it helps you. Medicare has two basic plans. They have the basic plan, which is your doctor and hospital, I believe, and then they have an Advantage plan that includes vision and dental, and then it has these two extra perks to it. I am with Humana. I have the Advantage plan. I have been very, very pleased with Humana. They've done me well. I don't know, there's different insurance companies available depending on where you live. If you don't know if you have what plan you have or what's included in your plan or even what insurance company you have, you can find out. I am surprised at how many people who have Medicare and yet don't know who their insurance company is or don't know what benefits are available to them. And so I think this is information that needs to get out, and I think it's helpful information. So you can go to medicare.gov, that's medicare.gov, and you can create an account if you don't already have one. If you already have one, go ahead and log in with your information. If you don't have one, of course, create an online account. Then log into that account, and the very first page that comes up is going to tell you what your plan is and who your insurance provider is. It's on the very first page, and that's how you can tell which plan you have. If you have the basic plan or if you have the one that includes the vision and the dental, the Advantage plan. I highly suggest writing in medicare.gov and not doing a search for Medicare. And the reason is it's going to bring up a whole lot of third parties. You're going to click on that link, you're going to end up giving your information, and you're going to get spammed with tons of calls. Trust me, it happened to me. And I know better. So, go and just input medicare.gov, and that's going to take you to the official Medicare page. So I have the Advantage plan. My plan includes vision, dental. My vision coverage is pretty darn good. I get $250 off lenses and frames, and then I get an additional 20% off the total bill. For me, that is good coverage. And I get it once a year. So I'm very happy with that plan. The dental plan, it's a little more detailed, so I can't really put it into a little box on what's all included. But here's the cool thing. They have a program called the Silver Sneakers program. And you can go to silversneakers.com. When you go there, it's gonna say, am I eligible? And you can input the information there, and it'll tell you whether you're eligible or not. If you're not sure and you want a more, you want to talk to an agent, call your insurance provider and talk to an insurance, one of their people, because I have found when I've called that they're very good, they're very knowledgeable, and they're very helpful in knowing what what is included and in answering our questions. But otherwise, you can go to silversneakers.com. You can input your, I don't know if it asks for your zip code. I'm not quite sure all the information it asks for because I already have an account with them. But it will tell you if you're eligible for this or not. The Silver Sneaker program is they basically send you a card. And the card is going to look like, I'm going to try to do this so that, there. The card is going to look something like that. This is really awkward, but it's going to say Silver Sneakers. It'll have your name on it, and it'll have a little thing that they scan. You can take this to any participating fitness center and get full use of their gyms. In my area, just in putting one zip code, we have several zip codes in my area, just by putting in one zip code, it brought up over 20 fitness centers that is participating. Cool thing is, there's no limits. You could literally go, or I could go from fitness center to fitness center, next day a different one, next day, and try them all. You'll get in with that card, you'll show them the card, they scan it, and you get in and you get full use of their facility. So maybe you like the equipment at one fitness center, but maybe they don't have the sauna in the pool. You can go to another fitness center same day and use the pool and the sauna. The other cool thing about this is it is good anywhere in the United States. So say you're traveling and I don't know, I went to Louisiana in February. Say I wanted to use their, a fitness center. I wanted to go somewhere where I could work out. I can go to the website, silversneakers.com. I can log in and then I can input the zip code or the city and the state, and it will bring up all the participating fitness centers in that area. And so it's kind of cool if you really want to work out. I've used that card quite a bit when I first moved back here. I'm actually in South Texas. I moved back down from Colorado. And I've used it quite a bit. I just recently moved into a brand spanking new apartment complex. I'm actually the first tenant in this apartment. It's so cool. Anyway, they have a full fitness center here and everything is brand new. And it literally has everything a person would need, at least at my age, a person would need to be able to work out. And I'll probably do a video of it just showing you because it really is kind of cool. So I don't really have a need for this card, but if I was traveling, maybe going to visit family in Minnesota, I could put in the information and find out what participating gyms there are in that area. Here comes the Second Perk. And this is the one I like a lot. The Second Perk is I get $125 every 3 months for over-the-counter items. Now, these items, it's way too many for me to name all of the items, but just for reference, you can get cough, cold, allergy medicine. You can get first aid supplies. You can get pain relievers, toothpaste, fixative, toothbrushes, personal care, diabetes management, bathroom safety. You can get an adjustable transfer bench. I needed that when I was recovering from my hip replacement. You can get a shower chair, handheld shower head, raised toilet seat, women's health, covers home medical, fall prevention, supports elbow, knee, carpal tunnel, and it also covers fitness trackers. So the cool thing is you have two ways you can order. You can order online through their pharmacy, your insurance's pharmacy. The one thing about that is, at least with Humana, most of the supplies are their generic brand. So it wouldn't be Neosporin, it would be called something else, probably antibiotic ointment. whatever brand their generic name is. The second way to order is they send you a card. Let's see if I can do this better this way. They send you a card like this where it says, I don't know if you can see, it says Humana. It's a Visa debit card, and they load this card every 3 months with $125. So you can go to Walmart, CVS, Walgreens is who is participating in my area. So I went to Walmart. I got NyQuil, DayQuil, sinus medicine. I got quite a bit of things. And go to the checkout, swipe your card, and it takes care of it. Now, if you're not sure if an item is eligible, they have an app, and I'm telling you, it's super easy to use, and it's pretty amazing. They have an app. You log into that app, you put in store, and then scan, and you can scan an item, and it's going to tell you whether it's eligible or whether it's not. I actually used that. I was getting some supplies. I wanted to get some masks because there are certain places here that masks are still required, and I like to have a few on hand anyway in case someone's sick. I kind of like them to wear masks, or if I'm sick, I wear a mask. So I went and I scanned it, and it said it wasn't eligible. So that was very helpful because I don't really want to get up to the counter, go to pay, and then it not be eligible, right? So those are the two ways you can order. If you don't know if you have over-the-counter allowance, call your insurance. I really, for the most part, every time I've called, they've been really, really helpful. And that's like $500 a year that we're getting to be able to buy these items, and those items are pretty pricey. So it's very helpful. Like, I like to have everything I need here in case I get sick. So I have my NyQuil, my DayQuil, my Mucinex. I have everything I need if I get sick, because I don't want to go to the store, and I don't really want someone else to be sent to the store. But it's super cool. Now, my insurance company includes fitness trackers that they cover. I tried to purchase a Fitbit Charge 5 at Walmart with the card, and it didn't accept it. However, on their website, they had the Fitbit Charge 5, the Versa 3, and the Inspire 3 to choose from. And so I just ordered from the website. I had my Fitbit, my new Fitbit, within 3 days. So the wait wasn't that long. I really didn't check to see if it would cover other brands of fitness trackers, but I got a brand new Charge 5 with that my over-the-counter allowance took care of. I didn't pay anything for my fitness tracker, which I'll do another video about my thoughts on that tracker. But yeah, I have it right here, and much better than what my other one was, and it was free, right? I hope y'all seen that. So those are the two things, and I hope that it helped you. Again, go to medicare.gov, G-O-V, go to your insurance website, really call them if you need to see what's all included in your plan, so you're taking full advantage of what you have available to you, right? So I hope this video was helpful for you. I am learning how to use my brand spanking new phone. It's an Samsung S23 Ultra. So this is the first video I have done on it, and so I am learning, hopefully, how to do better videos as we go along. And that's it for today. Until next time, be blessed. Oops. My little clicker, I'm sorry. Until next time, be blessed.